Okay, one got me a black bolt. It's buried in the very back, so you're never going to see the damn thing. Might even be one sitting there, I can't even see it. Yeah, I don't see one sitting in there anywhere, but who knows? Things drop around, who knows what everything's at. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put these bolts in there. So I got my regular Allen, and I got my long ball tip Allen. This is what you usually get them started with. These are kind of limited what you can torque stuff to because these round out real easy. So you got to be careful using these for torquing. When everything's brand new, they'll work, but if things are used, it rounds them off. So you got to be careful with the damn things. So I don't use them too much. Only where you need it. This is kind of where we need it right now. So I got to fish this thing in there and get it started. So hopefully it's the right length. That one didn't work. Great. Magnet time. Trusty old magnet. A good reason not to use stainless hardware. You can't do that with it. Okay, I'm going to try my straight Allen so I get a better shot with. It's good for fishing it. Probably won't be able to use it to get it in there very easily, but we'll try. This one half the time you get to with a straight Allen, the other half you can't. The wires and stuff are in the way. There, it finally came out. Okay, now this other one is harder. Definitely got to use the fishing, use this one. And where'd my flashlight go? It's hard to see in there how much you have to get in there. Yeah, everything's in the way. You gotta figure out how you're gonna reach yourself in there. You gotta make a plan on how to get in there. Actually, I'm not even close. Nope. Half inch away and I'm bottomed out over here already. Yeah, it needs to be like 1.5 inches longer. You can't get into the damn thing. Oh well. What else is new? Alright. Fishing tune. So I'm going to try this. We're just going to force it in there. That didn't work very far. Oh, that's why it's so much hard to get in these things. That's a horn sitting right there in the way. It's blocking the access. I know these things are a pain in the butt, but I didn't remember being this much of a pain. Yeah, there's a horn in the way. So you look around the horn, back on down. Try to figure out where the hole went to. Shove it through all the wires that are in the way. Get to where the hole goes and shove her on in there. And the starter's not up in there. So I made the wrong hole or what? Ah, ain't that special. found the missing bolt. Huh. Okay. Ain't that special? Okay. You think this is all fun and games over here, huh? Yeah, it is. It's a lot of fun. So, that hole way up in there, I can't even figure out where the hole's at. There it is. And it's that hole right there. That's out of focus. Anyway, that hole up there, it's a dowel pin hole. The bolt is actually sitting in there, in its hole behind the wire. We can't see it. The missing bolt is not missing. It's actually sitting there. So if you fish your way up into there, move all them stupid wires out of the way. There, it is in the bolt. So I don't know if you can see where the tool is, but it's actually in the bolt hole right now. In the bolt head. All right. That's how much fun these bikes are. Okay, so now I can lift the starter up into the hole and tighten it up. Obviously that bolt is not doing any damn thing. Oh, there it goes. Yep, it's doing nothing until it does. Torqued a little bit with that one, but I'm going to swap that out to the other one. Go and get this front one in here. Winded thing. Something long-winded or stripped. Just so you think it's stripped, it's tight. Okay, that one's tight. Let's see if I can get to this one with a straight wrench where I can torque it. Where was it at? I don't know. No, it's way up there, huh? Don't think so. Nope. Top of the wires, maybe. Oop, I got it. Maybe. Yep, got it. Jiggle, 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 come on out. Here you go. What fun. All right, so there's that bolt right in there. There it is. Right there. And the other one is buried in there behind all those wires. You see a chrome little head over there? That's the bolt. It's up above the wire. Yeah, you can't get to it. Cameras have a hard time focusing. The chrome part down there is a dowel hole. The bolt's actually above it. So, oh well, fun, fun, fun. All right, starter's in, tight, good to go. All right, we'll be back.